What's up guys, Wes from Tucson Strength here, and we have a monolift. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to use the monolift. First, just like any regular squat rack, you're going to adjust your heights. Do so by using the bottle jack. First, make sure that the jack is closed by twisting it to the right. Click. Now, set your height to where you need it. The bottle jack will raise this, and then you will put your pin inside to fix it. So crank it up. This is my desired pin. I'll put the pin into here, and now release the pressure to let it settle and tighten. Screw this back to the right to close it up again, and put the jack away. Next, we're going to talk about your uprights. Now, just like a regular competition squat rack, you can have your hands outside the pins or inside the pins. As of right now, the way this is set up is maximum width, so that your hands can fit inside the hooks, and you can unrack it like so. But if you prefer to have your hands outside, this can adjust in 3 different areas. The first one is farthest outside. Your second one is going to be in the middle. And then your third one is all the way on the inside. Once you have found your preferred width, you now have this locked into the spot. It won't shake. And now to make sure that it won't slide at all, tighten your handle. Make sure that you do this on both sides so that it is even. Now, like just when you use a cage and you have those spotter bars, you also need to make sure that you are adjusting your height correctly for your spotter arms. I'm pretty short, so I'm going to use a shorter strap. First, you're going to unscrew the clamp. And now you're going to screw the carabiner back to where it needs to be. All right, if you don't want to walk out your squat, you need a friend. This is Brittany. Well, her job is to swing the monolift, which means these arms will move out of the way in order for you to squat so that you don't have to walk. She's going to lift this lever and then pull this out, and the arms will move like so. Ready. So as you can see, I didn't have to walk out my squat because you have to have a friend for that. Now that you have your height adjusted, you have your uprights adjusted, and you have your safety straps adjusted, and you have a friend to swing your mono, you are ready to go. Now, here at Tucson Strength, we don't dump bars, unless you're an Olympic lifter and you're way over there. But if you're in the powerlifting area, you don't dump a bar, which is why these straps are here for you. Always ask to use a spotter when you're going heavy. But if that fails, that's what these are for. Oh no! Dump. Notice, I am safe, and the straps have caught my bar. Now that your friend has put the rack back where it needs to go, she can help you put it back up and in the rack. And that's how you do it.